Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a simple little drill that you can do to wake up your glutes after a long day of sitting. Maybe you've had a long drive, or you've been in the office all day and you haven't really had a lot of time to get up and walk around. This is a drill that you'll find that you do have butt muscles, and you don't have to do a lot of bridging if you have low back concerns. So all you do is lie on your belly, and you can lie down kind of fairly flat, but you're gonna bend your knees like you did when you were kids, just hanging out. And you're gonna take one foot and you're going to press it up towards the ceiling while you press the opposite knee into the floor. And you reach as high as you can with your heel, or you can point with your toes, but if you reach with your heel, you'll find your butt and your hamstrings. And then you're gonna bring that foot down or that leg down, press that knee into the floor and raise your other. And now you can hold this and just breathe and really try to reach to the ceiling. Get a good reach and you'll get a good squeeze. And it's not Charmin, so you can squeeze it. You guys remember that? Don't squeeze the Charmin. Anyway, and you just alternate back and forth. So get a good reach, maybe take a breath or two while you're reaching. Come down, reach up high as you can with your heel. Reach. That other knee's pressing down into the floor. Reach. And again, you will find your butt muscles. And the other thing you can do if you want to is just reach and squeeze. And if your low back will tolerate it, you can get up on your forearms and do the same thing. You just won't be able to reach as high. However, still fairly effective. And as you can see, my ability to reach up is quite diminished, but my ability to feel my glutes, pretty much the same. And so that is it. That's our drill. Push one knee into the floor while you reach up high with the other heel, and you will find these muscles here and a little bit of these muscles here. So give that a shot. Let us know what you think. Wake up those sleepy glutes. Let them become part of the rest of your body. And, well, that's our tip. We'll see you next time. Really didn't know what to say, so I just said stuff. We'll see ya.